Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using the command prompt. In today's video we'll learn about two awesome commands, and they are: the first one is getmac. Now this will return the MAC address for your device, and the other one is tracert, which is tracert. Now this command is used to trace the request between you and a target host. It could be a website, a machine on your local network, whatever. And the way it works like this: first, let's type google.com and see what kind of result we get. Now, it will take some time, and what it will do basically is that it will tell you what kind or the IP address of each machine, physical machine between you and the target host. So this is the IP address for my home router. This could be a router or switch for my internet service provider, and so on. So it will keep finding these hosts, these machines between me and the servers at google.com and tell you what they are. And this is very important for if you are into hacking, or maybe into network security or networks in general. This will tell you lots of information about you and about the network structure, and so on. And as you can see, it will take some time to complete, but it's very useful, very important to have this information. For example, one of the many use cases that I find very important. Now, sometimes I like to do some bug bounty. While doing that, you will have in the scope, there are many websites that are for the same company and they want you to hack it for them. And I want to decide whether these websites live on the same server or they are on different servers, or maybe the server is on different countries, so on. So I will use the trace route to determine the location and IP addresses. There are of course other methods, but this is one of the many methods or many ways that you can do this. So that's it for me guys in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.